Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix the mouse pointer not working on Windows 10. So before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel for other tutorials, and now we can start. This is gonna be an easy and a quick tutorial, and all you want to do is just go to the start menu by clicking on the Windows icon on your keyboard, type in device manager and click on enter. Now what you want to do is just click on tab one time and just use the arrow keys to move up and down. So the tab so by clicking on tab you should see this blue square around the letters. So just scroll down and find mice and other pointing devices. Once there, click on the right arrow and it should expand. Now click on Dell touchpad and HID compliant mouse. So I'm gonna if you don't have a touchpad, then just click on the mouse and click on enter. Now what you want to do is just move to the open the driver tab. Okay, by clicking tab. So as you can see, I clicked it, and it's on the general tab. Around the name it has some dots. So just move to the driver tab, and now click tab once again to have the dots around driver details. Once here, click on the arrow, bottom arrow one more time, or click on tab, and it should say update driver. Click on enter, and this should come up. Click on search automatically for updated driver software. So just click on enter. As you can see, it's already selected for me. So just click on enter, and it should update the driver mouse, the mouse driver for your mouse. As you can see, I already have the best driver for my mouse is already installed on my PC, so it won't do that for me. If that didn't work, then there's another method. Let me just close all of this. Okay, so if that didn't work, just click on the Windows menu and type in Task Manager. Click on enter to open it. And now once you're here, just look for Microsoft. Look for the Microsoft Skype or the Skype application. So Microsoft Skype doesn't exist. Let's see if there is a Skype application on. Okay, so it's named Skype app for me. So I'm gonna click on enter, and as you can see, the Skype app expanded. Now select the Microsoft Skype application using the arrows. And click on properties. So open the properties and go to the compatibility tab, and make sure that run this program in compatibility mode 4 is checked. So I just left it by accident, sorry. I'm gonna go to the compatibility tab and I'm gonna check it. Click on apply and click on OK, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like and comment.
I am not a stranger to